Hi. So today my husband saw something on our neighbor's porch that said Penguin Random House on it, and I thought, I bet that's a box for me. And so I ran over and look what it is. Hijacked by goats. It even says it on the outside. And this is not a goat. This is Louie, but he hijacks everything in a wonderful way. So here he is. All right, so Louie and I are gonna open this box and find out what's inside. Louie, I hope you're paying close attention. Louie is a good reader. Good scissors. All right. Oh, wow. Oh, it's so smooth. It's like a watercolor painting. Okay, this is Hijacked by Goats. It's coming out on September 8th. And this is a book that's for anyone who feels like they need to be perfect. And when they find out it's not possible to be perfect, they feel like something's wrong with them. And this is a book for anyone who feels like they're not good enough the way they are, and that's a problem. And so this is about learning to make mistakes, even when everything feels like it's against you, even your own brain. It's about a girl, when the book opens, she checks into a psychiatric hospital because she feels like she needs to punish herself because she can't be the perfect friend. And it's about her journey to find out that it's possible to push back against the bully that's in her brain. A bully that's very much like a smelly, mean goat. I am so excited for this book to be out in the world, and I can't believe it's going to happen in just a few weeks. So it's September 8th. Thank you. Louie says thank you also.